Hello everyone, my name is Nishant. Today we learn chapter number 8 from the Pitman Shorthand book. The chapter number 8 is all about the strokes, S and Z. Clear? In this chapter we learn when we have to use stroke S and Z. In a previous video we already learned about the small circle, for S and Z consonants. Clear? Now see the rule number first. The rule number first says wherever there is an initial or a final vowel sound, जब कभी भी initial starting में और ending में vowel sound आता है, there must be a stroke consonant. Okay, so you know the strokes for S, light, Z for a dark stroke. Okay, now the first rule says wherever there is an initial or final vowel sound, there must be a stroke consonant to provide a place for the vowel signs. वॉवल साइंस देना है तो हमें वो प्रोवाइड करने के लिए वॉवल साइंस तो हमें स्ट्रोक्स जरूरी है. इज दैट क्लियर फ्रेंड्स? एंड देयरफॉर द स्ट्रोक्स एस मस्ट बी रिटन व्हेन अ वॉवल प्रीसीड इनिशियल एस और व्हेन अ वॉवल follows final S or Z. Thus, now see the example. You can better understand by seeing example. Now see the example S. So how can you draw the outline for S? Now here is a vowel sound before the S, C. Is that clear? It means S. Is that clear friends? Okay. Now see when there is a initial और फाइनल vowel sound. ठीक है, इनिशियल और फाइनल vowel sound रहता है तो हमें क्या निकालना है? We must draw a stroke consonant. Okay, so it's our S. This is our vowel S. Is that clear friends? Now see the next example, say. Now in this example there is a first consonant sound and after that there is a vowel sound, say. So after that A क्या है? हमारा vowel sound है. अगर फाइनल में इनिशियल और फाइनल vowel sound आता है तो we must draw a stroke for S. So here is a S, here is a C. Is that clear? Now see the another examples. Ooze. See the example ooze. Zoo. Is that clear? Ooze. So here is a Z. Ooze. Is that clear friends? Zoo. It's a zoo. ठीक है, dark. Zoo and a vowel sign. ठीक है, is that clear? So why we need to draw stroke? Because we have to provide a place for the vowel signs. That's why we need to draw a strokes for the S and Z. Is that clear friends? Okay, now see the next example. Asp. Is that clear? SP. Asp. But see this example. Sap. Now here is a S and here is a ap. Sap. Is that clear friends? Sap. There is no vowel sound in last and initial. Okay, so here we can draw a small circle for S. Here is a small circle. So sa and p. Sap. Is that clear friends? Sap. Did you get it? There is no vowel sound before or after, initial or final. That's why we have to draw a small circle for S. Okay, but now see the next example. Ask. The next example is ask. Now how can you draw the outline for ask? There is a and K. Ask. Is that clear? But ask. Now here is a vowel sound before S. That's why we have to draw the stroke. Is that clear? But I need to draw a small circle for the word sack. Okay, now sack. In this sack there is a S before but there is a no vowel sound. Ack. There is a no vowel sound in the final position. Okay, so we need to draw a small circle. S or a K. Sack. Is that sack? Is that clear friends? Okay, so I think you understand it. See the next example. Busy. Now here is a busy and biz. Now see the example. Busy. ठीक है. So in this word there is a vowel sound busy. If there is a vowel sound, draw the stroke. So it's our B and it's our Z. So it's a B and Z. Finally E. Finally vowel sound जो आता है वो आता है E. That's why we need to draw a stroke for the word BZ. B and Z. It's a B and it's a Z. Okay. Now see the example for bees. Bees. There is a consonant in the starting, and after that there is no vowel sound. There is no vowel sound in the last position. So bees. So here if there is no vowel sound, we need to draw a small circle. So it's a B and it's a S. Is that clear? And it's a vowel bees. Is that clear, friends? Okay. Now see the next rule. The rule number 2. Now in the second rule, where the stroke S is written initially in the root word. Root word means basic word, base word, जो original है, ठीक है. And after that it is written in compounds and in derivatives form by means of a prefix. For example, saw. Saw, you know saw. Oh, there is a vowel sound, so we need to draw a stroke. It's our saw. Is that clear? But there is a compound word. Compound word what? Saw bench. So draw the saw bench. It's a saw. It's a B and Ch. So it's our saw bench. Compound word. Is that clear? Okay. Nothing special in this rule, but just you have to need to draw the outlines, better outlines. So the next one is assailed. Next example, assailed. Okay. So assailed and unassailed. Now see the example. Assailed. Say L and D. Assailed. Is that clear? And unassailed. It's that. Unassailed. Unassailed. Is that clear, friends? Okay. Now see the next example. Ease and disease. Okay. So ease and disease, the same pronunciation. Is that clear? So for ease we need to draw a Z dark outline. Ease. Is that clear, friend? Disease. Now see, draw the outline. D. Seas. Is that clear? It's a D. It's a disease. Okay. Now see the next rule. Number 3. When ट्राइफोन्स इमीडिएटली फॉलोज इनिशियल एस. अगर एस के बाद में इमीडिएटली ट्राइफोन्स आते हैं तो ट्राइफोन्स में भी हमें क्या है निकालना है, एस के लिए स्ट्रोक्स निकालना है. फॉर एग्जांपल इन द वर्ड्स लाइक साइंस, इन दिस वर्ड साई, आई साई, अंस, ठीक है, साइंस. सो सी द साउंड साइंस, इट्स अ साई एन एस, ठीक है, आई. अभी नाउ यू नो द फॉर द आई साई एन के लिए क्या है, ट्राइफोन, साइंस. इज दैट क्लियर? लास्ट में स का साउंड आता है तो हमें स्मॉल सर्कल निकालना है, लेकिन वॉवल साउंड नहीं आता है, इसलिए हमें यहाँ पे हमने स्मॉल सर्कल निकाला है. नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल. sewer, it's a sew. I write down here again, sew and it's a u and you know the triphones. Okay, triphones, diphthongs, ठीक है. In a previous video we already learned about the diphthongs and triphones. Okay, now if you want to learn again, then watch the video. Now the next one, the next rule, the rule number 4. Now in this rule, in a word like seas, now see the example, seas and saucer, where initial s is immediately followed by a vowel and another s or z. Is that clear? Now initial s is immediately followed by a vowel, ठीक है, and another s or z. Now C के बाद में क्या है, is, ठीक है. So we have to draw the outline for C and S, seas. Is that clear? Saucer, saw, first place, saw, sir. Is that clear? Now we have to draw the outline easily. Okay, now the next one is 5th, the rule number 5th. Now the words where the final syllable OUS. Now the words like OUS where the ending is in the by the OUS, us, sinuous. Now see the example, SINUOUS, sinuous. The next one is tortuous. The next one is joyous, JOYOUS. Now here is the word, the ending is by the OUS, us, where the final syllable OUS is immediately preceded by a diphthongs. Okay, diphthongs, you know the diphthongs. Here is a sign of diphthongs. Okay, now in the word like sinuous, now how can you draw the outline for sinuous? It's a C S new us, new U and A. Okay, is that clear? It's a triphone, new A and C. Is that clear? Sinuous. Tortoise, what? TRT, it's a TRT, to us, US. Is that clear? Tortoise. Okay, now the joyous. Now how can you draw the joyous? Joy us, it means it's our joy and it's a triphone A, the sound with the vowel sound A, joyous. Is that clear, friends? Okay, now here are the some rules of chapter number 8, strokes S and Z, and now you have to practice the exercise number 27 and 28. Now see the grammar blocks. Now the grammar blocks. Now in this grammar blocks, see the first one is me. The me is always draw above the line. Him, light stroke on the line. Myself, light myself. Himself on the line. Himself on the line, light stroke. Isn't that clear, friends? The next one is specially, special and specially. There are two words. Now the stroke is light, special, specially. Speak. Now for the speak through the line, light, speak. Subjected, subjected. Dark. Is that clear? Dark on the line. And several on the line, dark stroke. Is that clear? Several, dark stroke. Okay, now practice exercise number 29, 30, 27, 28. So you will be able to familiar with this chapter. Thank you, friends. If you like my video, please like, share, comment and subscribe the channel. Thank you.